Hello, everybody, and welcome to Org 612, Human Behavior in Organizations. I'm Dr. Todd Thomas, and I will be your professor for the next 8 weeks as we get into this program. You can find more about me, as you can all of your classmates, in the introduction discussion board, which everybody needs to be visiting anyway, so go there now. Org 612 serves two simultaneous purposes. First is obviously the learning that comes from looking at how we can apply behavioral theory to our leadership efforts. This isn't about academics, but about application. The second purpose of Org 612 is to orient you to how online learning is done at a graduate level. For those of you who have an undergrad degree that included much, if not all, online work, I suspect you'll find this to be different on a number of levels. In no particular order, the first level is in preparation expectations. You'll find that there will never be a PowerPoint deck and lecture in any of your graduate courses. This is because adult learning is best achieved when learners engage with the material, the instructor, and with their peers. You can read the articles as well as I can, and you have a life outside of the classroom where you can apply the concepts you're reading about. Which leads us to the second difference. We have very, very few tests or exams, and we never base your grade on any of these in a major way. Like I said earlier, our interest is in your ability to apply the material, not regurgitate it on a multiple choice test. You'll be asked to do some tests related to our program measures, which I'll talk about later this week, and you might occasionally have a preparation quiz. If your professor is starting to see that folks aren't ready for the week, sometimes he or she may do that. But other than that, this class and the others are about what you do with the information, not what terms you remember and so on. So the final difference I'll mention for now is the accountability factor. At a graduate level, we don't hound you about getting things done. We assume that you're doing them. Each class has specific late policies, and we hold them pretty tight since they're stated in the syllabus and available for all to see from the beginning. If you ever have a question or some special situation you would like to be considered, the key is to bring it up early rather than after the fact. Now, I think you're going to enjoy this course and this program, and I encourage you to reach out to me at any point. The Ask the Instructor board for more public questions is a great way to get a relatively quick response. But if it's personal, life-related, grade-related, something like that, email is the better way to go. Now, tomorrow morning, you'll receive the first of my written weekly announcements, which will usually cover something from the week before and then list a set of reminders about what is ahead for the upcoming week. Make sure to read everything you get, as this is our primary communication method and it's easy to miss stuff. If there are ever any changes or adjustments, they'll be shared through a class announcement. All right, I look forward to getting to know you and to getting started, so watch for my weekly announcement tomorrow. Thanks and have a great evening.